today, friends. Hi, we're hoping you're having a great day. Right, Lokes? Okay, so today we found this cool store.
Toys.
Lots of toys.
And a surprise egg.
Yes, it was gigantic, wasn't it? Yeah.
And they had Buzz Lightyear and Lightning McQueen stuffy.
Star Wars stuff, lots of dolls and babies.
And Jurassic World.
Lots of Jurassic World.
Jurassic World bags.
And just a huge selection of
and
stuff.
Lightning McQueen stuff.
And what else did they have? They had...
And they had Muddy Lightning McQueen and the real Lightning McQueen that's red and racing one and blue one, blue Lightning McQueen.
So, but then they also had, what else did they have? This, okay kids.
Dragon eggs.
So, this is,
Wait, let's show them the back.
okay, so this is
They
the,
come out of the eggs.
yeah, so this is called Breakout Beasts, and there's a red one called Charcoal.
Chocolate.
There's a green one called Lizard. And this blue one here is called Sleet Storm. Look how cool he
What's
looks.
What's their name again?
Charcoal.
Chocolate.
Lizard is the green guy.
Lizard.
Oh, he's spitting something out of his mouth. And this blue guy down here is Sleet Storm. And apparently, you break open the egg. There's all this slime.
I changed its name. Lava Ball.
Oh, Lava Ball's a good one.
Ice Ball.
Ice Ball, that, yeah.
And Fireball.
And Fireball. And then you can mix and match and have them do different cool things.
That's fire.
And this is the front, guys. Oh, you can see that it's a red egg, a blue egg, and a green egg.
No,
Three
red.
different beasts. So we build them. So we break them open.
And there's 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. So, Logs, what one do you want to build first?
Dragon.
Dragon. The red one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like there's red one.
Okay, so are you ready to open it?
Yeah, how?
Okay, let's open it. Ooh, what's this?
Hey.
A little book. Ring Beast Pack. Instruct and how you can.
There we go. I got them. Here's the red one.
Mix and match, combine. So we got the cool shiny red egg. Oh, can we see in there? Oh, we can see what's in there. There's the blue egg. Popped it open. Let's see.
Who's in the bag?
It's a fire bag.
Yeah.
Oh,
Science.
oh,
Oh,
it's
you
like,
have to rescue him.
oh, it's like
Yeah.
big snot. Oh, yeah.
Rescue. There's a body. You have to build it.
Oh, this is so gross, you guys. Oh, you guys gotta try this. Feel it, Logs. Oh, it's just like snot. Yeah.
Dragon snort.
Yeah, what does it smell like?
You snort.
Actually, it kind of smells good.
Okay.
I don't know, it kind of smells like
What kind?
clean shampoo or something. I don't know, it's hard to explain. You guys,
No, this head.
does that look like his head?
No, this is the head. No, this head, Mom. The head.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh, let's get all the pieces. Let's get all the sticky pieces. Oh, this one's way too heavy. Oh,
This is different than like
this is
typical
like
slime,
stinky
right?
snot. It's like stinky snot.
I love it.
It's stinky snot. I love it too. Oh, all the pieces. And this. It's way too yucky.
Oh, there's something in there. Yeah.
What is that?
Hey, Logan. Oh, Logan, I think you got a cold. Look what's coming out of your nose.
building.
Look at all the pieces, you guys. Awesome. Oh, there's like this little piece here. And apparently,
That's the belly. The mouth opens.
and these are his legs.
I can eat you. Oi. Oi. Here. Here. Okay. I made something now.
So we put his feet on like that. Connect those ones in there. Snap it in there. So we put his body, we snap it in there like that.
Look what I made, Mom. W.
Oh yes, I guess it is a W. Oh cool, his mouth opens. Neat. There we go. There's his tail. Nice tail.
Nice tail for you, baby.
His head there.
Cool.
Put it in there. And then I think he has a mane here. Top of his head. Wow. It's a little mohawk he has. One foot goes there. The straight leg goes in the front like that.
Okay.
And then these are the two back.
At least they walk.
There is more pieces.
There's another head.
Oh, cool. Look at that.
We're not done yet. Okay. You have to bury them, okay, Mom? So no one sees them.
Wait, we gotta add these cool things onto his body. Oh, you know what? I thought his hair looked kind of strange. His mane, of course, should go here. That's his mane. And this is his helmet armor.
Helmet.
Just look at that, you guys. That's
Let me
awesome.
see. Let me see. Oh, cool.
Awesome, awesome sauce. Let's look at his little legs move. He has a chest plate. There's his chest plate.
I made a stack of eggs.
And look, he has a horn coming out of his chest plate. I don't know why it goes there.
Cool.
And then this one
Goes up there.
goes on his head there. Look at this. And he has a horn that comes out.
Cool. He's a unicorn.
He has these
Unicorn
things.
horse. There's a lot more pieces, huh?
I've actually really enjoyed this toy.
Me too.
You're just crazily playing with the slime. Okay, so
It's awesome.
look at that. So you stick, it's like Lego. So you stick it on there like that. And then,
Like Mom, they're inside the slime.
and that's what you do with it. Logan, isn't that awesome?
Yeah!
Cool.
Cool, huh? Yeah. Hey, Mom.
He is pretty cool looking.
Let's open another one. Let's open another one, Mom. Let's open another one. You do the plastic and I'll do breaking open it. Okay?
Awesome. This was a lot of fun. Did you enjoy it?
Take out the plastic and then I'll break it open. Okay? And the armor.
Oh, look at this guy's face. Does this not smell better, Logan?
Cool. He's like
It smells the same. It smells like what?
Sword?
Look at this guy's face. Oh, he looks like a hawk or an eagle. The white skin up the
I
front.
found it. I found lots of pieces.
And his mouth opens up too. Oh, look how high it opens up. Oh, he can really come down and go. Hum, 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 hum. Oh, this must be his.
And another armor on the side?
His head connects into here.
You guys have more slime.
Oh, you really mixed that slime. So the other one had like a golden yellow slime, and the blue one has a. Oh, there it is. That's for this. Where's that little piece again? It's the stand.
Okay.
Cool, cool.
Hey, Mom. What's this, Mom?
Oh, yuck. You gotta make a big achoo.
Let's do it.
Oh, I think you gotta blow your nose. Yucky.
It's a strong claw. I can't wait to put it all around. Look at Mom.
There's the wings. Do you think he wants his head on there? Okay, so
There we go.
beginning.
There we go. That's what you're
And then we have these feet that we're gonna stick on him. Mama, what? Look at this, Liddy. What do you think?
I got the slime. I got the slime. It's trapped now. It's trapped. The slime's trapped.
You're flicking it.
Look, Mom. The slime's trapped.
Oh, it's good.
The slime's trapped. I can't wait to see this.
So let's put his head on.
Yes.
There.
Okay. This one here.
There we go. So then he gets these yellow things on each hand for his armor. I'm really digging on the hawk bird thing.
Look, Mom, it's squishing. It's never right. Look at it.
Squish it. This piece here comes out of his mouth. Cool. He shoots it out of his mouth. What do you guys think of this guy? So he's shooting this stuff out of his mouth. His head totally swivels. His wings flap. He has, look at these cool fists.
And look at the slime on him.
I mean, he got slime.
I don't know.
Oh, they look so cool. Here's the two of them. We got Sleet Storm and Charcoal. They look pretty awesome. Okay, we only got the third egg left to go. Okay, we got the green one here. Let's open the green guy. What's the green guy's name? Lizard.
Lizard.
Ooh, that one. Oh!
Hey, I want to open it.
Okay, well, you got to open all of them. What color slime is he going to have? Ooh, it looks like it might be orange.
Oh, look, I don't see any slime.
Let's see. Let's open up the packet. Oh! Thank you. Oh, it's like a bat wing. Ooh. Oh, we gotta get all the slime off of the pieces. That's your job, Caleb.
Okay.
Let's get all the slime off of the pieces.
There. Oh, here's the leg. Here's the leg, right?
Oh, I found his face.
Oh, you found his face?
Yeah.
Let me see his face. Oh, it's like a zombie face.
Let's show the kids at home its face. Oh wow, he doesn't even look like he has really like any eyes.
Yeah.
His mouth opens up as well. Oh, he's got a mouthful of slime. Ah. Oh.
Hey, it kind of looks like a tree, huh?
Yeah. Oh, look at his claws.
It's like zombie claws.
Yeah. That's his body. His first claw. There's his second claw right here. And looks like his leg goes down here. Awesome. I thought that I had a favorite, but now that they're sort of being put together, I don't think I can determine what one is my favorite. Not yet.
I know which one is my favorite. You know, kids? Put down below if you know which one is my favorite. I'll tell my mom, okay?
Okay.
My favorite is green.
The green guy?
Yep.
The one that we're building right now?
Yeah.
That's it so far, guys.
Yep.
Connects in there like that. And there should be like 2 little horns or something that come
There
up.
is. There's one right here.
These could be lots of fun, I think. Where's his head? So we got his neck.
There it is.
Pretty mean looking. So this one's going to be a surprise for the kids at home. I'm not going to show them what it looks like.
Look, Mom, I mixed it up in here.
Ah, slap! Sit down, lady. What do you think? Okay, so let's put him on the thing. Oh! Look at this guy.
This is all our stuff. No, remember.
That was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it.
Remember, Mom, it was going to be a surprise for the kids.
It's a super surprise. Okay, that's right. It's a surprise. We won't tell the kids what one is your favorite. Oh, awesome!
There's a cookie thing in there.
Very cool. What do you think, Logs?
Oh no.
That's okay. You can take them off the stand and we can use them. Yeah, I think that it was a lot of fun. I'm glad that we got it. We have all the slime that we can play with.
His mouth closes.
Yeah, they all have their mouth out open and closed. Oh, Letty, do you have a favorite? What are you doing? What are you doing? Here's Logan. You're staring at him.
Welcome to the show.
All right, well, kids, this was a lot of fun. I would totally buy the Breakout Beasts again. So we hope that you guys use your imagination, play, use your toys, use your imagination, get outside, Logan,
Some fresh air.
because fresh air is important.
Mama.
If you like our show, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And look at him. That's so funny.
Yeah.
And we will see you on the next episode of
Aunties.
Rascally TV.
No, auntie.
See you next time, guys. Bye for now.
These are auntie toys.
Bye.
Bye.